Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxbuddy.com, a leading tax filing portal. US markets fell once again the day before yesterday. Uh, Markets fell significantly, and yesterday once again the markets fell. And the reason, the Bank of England raising the interest rates. US markets were too volatile, and if you look at Nasdaq, just 2 days before, I saw the high was around 11,600. Yesterday it came to 10,700. So it's about 9% fall in just two trading sessions. And 9% fall, can you imagine what will happen to India? So US markets are too volatile, and but I would say our markets are resilient, and not only our market today, in fact, even the Asian markets are resilient. Most of the Asian markets are higher, except Japan, and Hong Kong market is particularly doing extremely well. Hang Seng index is up 3%, and technology stocks in Hong Kong is up an average of 5%. But despite that, SGX Nifty is showing just a flat opening. And of course, SGX Nifty has not been a correct indication for the last many weeks during this volatile market. So, if I look at American depository receipts, both HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank ADRs were higher, whereas Infosys ADR was down. So naturally, when the Nasdaq sentiment is bad, when Infosys fell yesterday here, so that is reflected in ADR. But however, by looking at the rise in the technology index in Hong Kong, so we can expect some positivity in IT index today. So banking stocks have been outperforming, and now if IT index is also moving slightly higher, then there is no reason for us to be very bearish. So today is Friday, so the first trading session for this week. Okay, so nothing much can be judged from the open interest, but however, people have taken 18,000 short straddle with a combined premium of about 300 point. So that means these people are expecting 17.7 on the downside and 18.3 on the upside. But however, I will not like to take any bet because today is Friday. More importantly, US jobs data. So as and when US jobs data comes, markets tend to move violently on either side. So depending upon the jobs data. So therefore, I would prefer not to take any positions today. I will just skip one day. I will consider taking position on Monday. So we may make less profits, but it does not matter. So we have to focus on risk. So definitely today the banking stocks will be in focus. Reason number one, State Bank of India and Bank of Baroda will be declaring results tomorrow. I think earlier I reported as they are going to declare today, but it was a wrong information. So State Bank of India and Bank of Baroda declaring results tomorrow. ICICI, more importantly, HDFC Bank and HDFC will be in focus. So yesterday HDFC Bank results came, but there was not any big move. So probably people may be dissecting the results yesterday night, and today the reflection will be there. But results are good, but the stock has already run up. So therefore, how it's going to react today, so that may decide the direction of the market. So there are a few other companies like Cipla, Gale, Titan set to declare results today. So those stock specific action will continue. Since FIIs are buying continuously, even when the US markets facing rough weather, still FIIs were net buyers here. So that shows that, our market for the time being, it's a buy and dip market. So yesterday we have seen there was a huge gap down, but within minutes that was bought into. So definitely domestic institutions are in a mood to sell the market, and that's because they've been supporting the market from 15,200 to 18,000. So 18,000 plus is a lucrative place for them to book some profits. So therefore markets are going to be volatile, and today last 1 hour will be even more important just because of US jobs data and State Bank of India results. And mostly State Bank of India used to declare results on working day during the market hours, but this time they have chosen to declare on Saturday. But the expectations are very high, and State Bank of India trading at all-time high. So any disappointment, the entire PSU packs will be brought down, and that will affect the Bank Nifty also. So that is one of the reasons why I want to go very light on Bank Nifty. So looking at the open interest, as I told you, nothing can be judged. So for the time being, so we have to assume that just 2 days before, SGX Nifty high was 18,315. So that should be the resistance. So if the global cues turns around, if there is, if a US jobs report comes favorable to the market, then US markets are extremely oversold in the very, very short term. There can be a technical bounce. So then we can, when the global markets are bleeding, we are doing so well. If the global markets turns around, so we are likely to move significantly higher. So if not in the month of November, at least by December, we can expect an all-time high to be tested. So Bank Nifty has already tested. Now Nifty is waiting, and Nifty is waiting for IT stocks to recover, because this year the huge underperformer is the IT index. So we don't know, when everything is bad, things may just turn around, and that is what we are seeing today in Hong Kong market. Hong Kong is the worst performing market in Asian region, but today it is up by 3%, and IT index is up 5%. So let us see today, particularly the last 1 hour. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.